Hi, I'm Steve with Hendrick Collision Center of Rock Hill, and I'm here to speak with you about a little bit of a stressful moment when you get into that accident. What's the next step? First, check yourself and check all of your occupants in your vehicle. That is the most important aspect of an incident. If everyone's okay after the accident, don't move your vehicle. This may affect the accident report when the policeman writes it up. Wait for the property authorities to come in and tell you when it's safe to be able to move your vehicle. Check and see if there's any witnesses that you can possibly gather from the accident. They may come into assistance later on when you're going to file your claim with the insurance company. Make sure to get any of their contact information as well too, so that you can A, report that to your insurance company, and B, you can contact them if you need to. If you have any questions throughout this process, please feel free to give the shop a call. Such like Hendrick, we're here to help you through every process in this, from the insurance company all the way through to the end-all product. Don't be afraid to ask a question. Thank you once again for your time, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call directly at the shop, 803-909-9220. Once again, remember, we're here for you.